In this video, you'll learn how to create an online form and collect responses automatically into your Excel workbook. This is a great way to gather feedback, employee details, or survey results, all without using any VBA or coding. Let's go to forms.office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Here, we'll create a new form. This page also offers a quiz option and several ready-made templates that you can choose from. But we'll create a new form from scratch and add our own fields. After clicking the New Form button, an untitled form appears. To create the first field, you'll notice several types available such as choice, text, rating, and date. Since we're recreating the same form that we built earlier using a user form and a worksheet-based form, our first field will be employee name. For this, we need a text box so users can type the employee's name. So choose the text option. The question and answer boxes appear. Remove the default word question and type employee name instead. Then, turn on the required toggle. This ensures the user must fill out this field before submitting the form. Click the three dots on the right to explore additional customization options for this question. Next, let's add another field by clicking Add New Question. This one will be for the department. Choose the choice option. This will create radio buttons for selection. There isn't a drop-down or combo box option here, so the choice field works well to represent departments and assign each employee to one. By default, it shows two options, but you can add more by clicking Add Option. When you start typing a department name, Microsoft Forms may suggest relevant options. Choose and add them to your list. If you want users to select multiple departments, turn on Multiple Answers. But since we only want one department per employee, we'll leave that option off. Don't forget to enable the required toggle here as well. For the third field, joining date, choose the date question type, and in the question box, type joining date. For the last field, full-time, choose choice again, and add yes for one option and no for the other. Now that our form fields are ready, let's preview it. Click Preview to see how your form looks on desktop and mobile. It looks great. So let's publish it. Return to the form editor and click Collect Responses. Here, you can copy the form link or share it with others via email or social media. Let's copy the link, open it in an incognito window, and fill in a few sample entries. Try submitting more than one record to see how responses are captured. To view your submitted data, go back to the main form page and click View Responses. Notice the number beside. It shows how many responses have been received. This opens a summary of responses for each question as shown on screen. To see the actual results in Excel, click Open in Excel. This launches the workbook in Excel for the web, containing all your collected responses. You'll notice that Excel automatically adds some extra fields such as ID, start time, completion time, email, and name. These are system-generated fields added by Microsoft Forms to track each submission. The ID uniquely identifies each response. Start time and completion time record when the form was opened and submitted. The email and name fields appear only if your form is restricted to people within your organization. If you don't need these columns in your report, you can simply hide them in Excel. You may also notice that our field name appears as Name 1 in the Excel sheet. This happens because Excel already has a built-in system column named Name, which is automatically added by Microsoft Forms. When your form includes a field with the same name, Excel adds a 1 at the end to make it unique and prevent any data conflict or confusion. To fix this, let's rename our field from name to employee name. Go back to Microsoft Forms, and under the My Forms section, open the form we created. Edit the question that says Name and change it to Employee Name. While we're here, let's also give our form a proper title. Type Employee Form in the title box at the top. Now return to Excel. You'll see that the workbook automatically updates and now shows Employee Name instead of Name 1. If you prefer not to open Excel to check updates, you can review individual responses directly from the form. Just click View Responses and, on the next page, choose Review Answers individually. Here, you can browse each record one by one. You can also open these results in your desktop version of Excel, or even use a new workbook to store future responses. For example, if you no longer want to use the existing workbook, select Disconnect and sync to a new workbook from the menu. All existing responses will open in the new workbook, and the previous one will stop receiving new updates when future data is submitted. If you prefer to open the workbook directly in your desktop Excel application, choose Open in Excel Desktop from the drop-down list. Allow the site to open Excel when prompted by clicking Open on the message box that says this site is trying to open Excel. That's it. We've successfully created an online form linked with Excel, customized its fields, and collected responses automatically. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.